last session, we learned about
a downloadable product.
In today's session, we are going to learn
How to create a virtual product. Now, a virtual product may be not very easy to understand, but it is very easy to create it because a virtual product doesn't has a physical entity. It is more like a subscription, as I already taught you. Now, a virtual product is mostly used to sell products like subscription or a warranty, etc. Now let's go to the admin and start adding the product. So we are going to go to the catalog manage products as always. Then we will click on the add product button. Now we will just use the default attribute set and we will select a virtual product from the product type and click on continue. Now as always we are just going to enter some details, like let's name our product warranty, or just let's name it test for now, and I'm just going to use some dummy details in the description. The SKU is going to be virtual, status is going to be enabled, and let's keep the price 5. It is going to be a 5, let's say 5, a warranty for $5 for example. Text class is going to be none. Then inventory we are going to assign it, and yes, it is in stock. If it is a multi-site, you will have to select the option. Then we will go to categories and we will assign it to VIP and just click on save and continue edit. Just to inform you, I am not using any images for this product. Of course, you can use any official warranty images in the production environment. So now let's go to the front end and refresh the product. So now if I go to VIP, if I have not made any mistakes, the product should be visible. And here it is, the test virtual. Now the only difference, if I add this product into the cart and if I proceed to checkout, it is not going to ask me for shipping information. Now you are going to learn about shipping in the coming sessions and you will get a better idea of this particular difference in the future session. For now, you just need to know that if I buy a virtual product, then shipping information is not required. Now the second thing to know about a virtual product is when a customer buys this product, he is not going to actually get anything, but this product is going to be tied to his account. So you as a store owner or he as the customer account holder can always use this product and verify the product which he is having in his account. So that was all about creating a virtual product.
In the next session, we are going to learn
How to create a configurable product.